Every single review response you write is being read by AI right now, not by customers, not by Google's traditional algorithm, by large language models like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, and Claude. These AI systems are scanning your review responses to decide whether to recommend your business or your competitor. And most businesses have no idea this is happening. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what AI looks for in your review responses, the specific patterns that make AI trust your business, and the critical mistakes that are making you invisible to the fastest growing search channel in history. According to recent data, 58% of consumers now use AI-powered search at least once per week. That number was 12% 18 months ago. If AI does not trust your business based on your review responses, you are losing customers every single day without even knowing it. Signal number one is entity consistency. AI models build knowledge graphs, massive webs of connected information about your business. When you respond to reviews, AI is checking whether your responses reinforce consistent information about what you do, where you are located, and what makes you different. Here's what that means in practice. If your Google business profile says you are a family-owned Italian restaurant in downtown Austin, your review responses need to naturally reinforce those entities. A strong response might say something like, "Thank you for visiting our family restaurant. We're glad you enjoyed our handmade pasta, a recipe we have been perfecting in downtown Austin for over 15 years. That single response reinforces 4 entities: family-owned Italian food, downtown Austin, and 15 years of history. A weak response like, "Thanks for the review," gives AI absolutely nothing to work with. It is a missed signal every single time. The businesses that dominate AI search results have review responses that consistently mention their core services, location, and unique differentiators in natural conversational language. Not keyword stuffed, but naturally entity rich. Signal number 2 is sentiment handling and trust patterns. AI does not just read your positive review responses, it pays extremely close attention to how you handle negative reviews. This is where most businesses completely fail. And when AI evaluates your negative review responses, it is looking for 3 specific patterns. First, acknowledgement without defensiveness. AI can detect defensive language patterns, and businesses that argue with reviewers get flagged as lower trust. Second, specific resolution language. Responses that include phrases like, "We have addressed this by," or "Our team has implemented a new process signal to AI that your business actively improves." Third, response time consistency. If you respond to positive reviews in 2 hours, but take 2 weeks to address complaints, AI models interpret this as a trust red flag. The data backs this up. Businesses that respond to every negative review with resolution-oriented language see a 43% higher appearance rate in AI-generated recommendations compared to businesses that only respond to positive reviews. This is not theory. This is measurable right now in platforms like ChatGPT and Perplexity. Signal number 3 is structured information density, and this is where it gets really powerful. AI models are trained on structured data. They love information that is organized, specific, and factual. Your review responses are an opportunity to feed AI exactly the kind of data it craves. Here's the framework. Every review response should contain at least one of these structured elements: a specific service or product name mentioned naturally, a factual detail like hours, pricing tiers, or process descriptions, a named team member or department, or a geographic reference beyond just your city name. Let me show you the difference. A low-density response says, "We appreciate your business and hope to see you again soon." A high-density response says, Thank you for choosing our premium detailing package. Our lead technician, Marcus, takes incredible pride in the ceramic coating process, and we are glad the results exceeded your expectations. We are open until 7 p.m. on weekdays at our Riverside Drive location if you ever need a touch-up." That second response gave AI 6 structured data points: service name, team member, specific process, customer satisfaction signal, operating hours, and precise location. Multiply that across hundreds of reviews and you are building an AI knowledge base that your competitors simply cannot match. Now let me give you the exact action plan to implement this starting today. Step 1, audit your last 20 review responses. Count how many contain 0 entity mentions, 0 structured data points. For most businesses, that number is above 80%. Step 2, create a response framework. Not templates, because AI detects templated responses and discounts them. A framework with 5 to 7 core entities your business wants to reinforce, adapted naturally to each review. Step 3, prioritize negative reviews. Respond within 24 hours with acknowledgement, resolution, and a forward-looking statement. This single change can improve your AI visibility score by 30% or more. Step 4, track your AI presence. Search for your business name plus your core service in ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI Overviews once per week. Document whether you appear and whether the information is accurate. The businesses implementing this strategy are seeing results within 60 to 90 days. One dental practice we tracked went from 0 AI mentions to appearing in 4 out of 5 AI search results for best dentist in their city simply by optimizing their review responses following these exact signals. This is not optional anymore. AI search is growing faster than any channel in the history of digital marketing. Your review responses are your direct line of communication with these AI systems. Make every single one count. If you want to see how your business currently scores across all AI search platforms, try Ninja free at tryninja.ai. The link is in the description.